So something occurred to me on the way home. Last time I was in Lidl, I noticed that they did actually have some welding helmets for sale, and I dismissed them at the time because I thought, well, welding helmet from Lidl, they're not going to be that good, are they? But anyway, it's what, 9 o'clock in the evening. They shut at 10 o'clock, so I'm just going to have a quick look at them, take a little bit of footage if I can, and we'll just check them out. I'll have a look at the safety specs, the certifications they've got, just to see if they're any good. I can't remember the price. I think they're sort of 15 to 20 quid, but I'm just going to go and take a peek now, and we'll have a look at them, and you know, we'll sort of check them out and try and decide whether or not it's something which is worth buying just to do a college course lasting 4 months, or whether or not it's just not worth the risk. Anyway, let's go and take a peek, shall we? Right, let's go and investigate the middle of Lidl, shall we? So, where are these things then? Sure, they were here. Where are you, buggers? Ah, here we go, look. So, automatic welding helmet. Ah, they're 25 quid. So what have we got then? So 3-year guarantee. Darkening time, so that's the time presumably it takes to adjust. I mean, they look quite nice, don't they? With a true colour filter for a more realistic colour display. Now they've got quite a few of these, you know. I'm just thinking, 25 quid, are they worth buying, or is it going to be absolute shite? So you've got the adjustable headband, integrated LED, not sure whether or not that's a standard thing. What does it say then? Okay. So here's the thing. If you'd been told by the tutor that a lot of the helmets in the classroom basically were not in the best of condition, let's put it that way, because the youngsters who have been on the course basically, you know, abused them. So first of all, would you take a chance and use those, or would you buy your own? So that's the first two questions. The third question is, would you buy one of these? Would you buy a Parkside automatic welding helmet, or would you not take a chance? Now I'm trying to find out what the whether or not it tells us about any safety standards on here. Let's have a look. What does it say? I mean, the thing is, I was looking for some sort of like safety mark or something like that. I mean, you would assume, wouldn't you, that they would have, because they sell them in the UK. Now the thing is, I'm assuming that these, because they're being sold in the UK, that they're actually, you know, they meet all of the UK and European standards, which you would expect, as opposed to being certified for use in somewhere like bloody North Korea or, I don't know, Uzbekistan, something like that, who knows. But anyway, so 25 quid, is it worth it or not? And if you decide it was worth it, would you buy one of those, or would you buy one of those? I don't know, folks, what would you do? Is a Parkside welding helmet any good? 25 quid. I've been told you can pick them up for 20-25 quid. Clearly they're the sort of entry-level helmets, aren't they, I'd imagine? Would you reckon? They've got a few here, so I think I'll wait for the comments to come through and let you guys and gals give me your opinion. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers.